Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you some 50 basic Linux commands. So here you can see this. These are the 50 basic Linux command. First is ls. It is used to list the directory. Second is cd to change the current directory. To change the current directory, so we have to put cd and directory name. Mkdir is used to create the new directory. So if we create a directory mkdir dev, so it will create the new directory name dev. So you can see this. I have opened this mkdir dev. So just when I have put this mkdir directory, we have to check the directory, so we'll put the ls command. So ls command, you can see that the directory is been registered. So if we want to delete this directory, so we have to put another command, that is rmdir and the directory name dev. So the directory has been deleted. When we will put the ls, nothing has been shown. So let's go to another. So pwd is to print the current working directory. So if we put this if we put pwd and enter, so this show me the root directory, the last directory in which we are working. So go to another. cp is to copy all the directory. So we will copy all the files. For example.txt, if we save something in our directory and we want to copy all the directory, we have to type the command cp.copy all the file directory. So cp example.txt and backup. So mv is to move the rename or rename the directory. So if we want to change the directory name, we have to put the mv command, and rm is to remove all the files and the directory. So rm example.txt is if we save something in text format or any document, so rm will command can remove all the directory or remove the files. So touch is to create an empty file or to update the timestamp of the existing file. So touch.shan.txt. So if we put some if we want to empty the directory, if something text is there in our directory, we have to delete all that text from that directory. So we use command touch, and cat is to concatenate the display the file. Cat.env concatenate the display file. So man command is for manual command. So and htop is an interactive process viewer to system to monitor htop. Okay, so we put this command htop. Htop is not found because nothing was there. com chmod change the permission of the file directory. So if we first digit represent the owner of the file directory, chmod. Okay, wait. So chmod, you can see that uh, each mode is more than letter. Okay, so it will show me all the directories what are there in directory. So in this you can see that con chown is a change the owner of the file directory. Con owner example.txt. tar is to create the exact compress and achieve the file. Okay, so gzip is to compress all the file. Gzip file.txt to compress this file into zip format, and to open that zip format we have to decompress the compressed file. So we will put the command gun.zip file.txt.gzip is the extension. csh is a connect to remote the server. ssh is to connect the remote server. ssh. Okay, so this will work on the server which linux server we in which it is a basic It is a basic Linux terminal to check the command. So there it will not work here. So now SCP is for uh, SCP is a securely copy the file between the system. Ping is to test the network. ipconfig is to display the configure network. ipconfig.netstat display the network connection information. Netstat. This will also not work, but I will just put netstat. Okay, because this system is a virtual system. If we work on the main system, this will work. Route is to we the configure the network for the routing table. Top is to display the resource of the process. Kill is to terminate the process. Kill.pid. So these are the basics. Uh, One of the important command is sudo to execute the command to another privileged sudo. Okay. Uptime is to display the uptime on over average. So when we put uptime, it will display the system uptime and the load time. Uh, okay, so this has shown me this system's uptime, and du to display the uses of the directory. Mount is to mount the file. Sudo mount dev dot if we want to mount some USB or something. So unmount to is a file to unmount the file. Sudo unmount, and this is the command. So date is to display and set the date for the time system. So we'll put only date. This will also check date. So Wednesday 13 September. So the time is showing 5:56 UTC. This is showing because our time is 11. It is the Indian time, and from where this server is working, it's showing their time. Okay, but the date is same. Okay, who am I is a display the current user on W. Who am I? So this is the root finger to display the information about the user. Finger root. Not working. Uname is to display the information. History is to display the previous executed command. If we type history, uname is showing me the Linux username. Short is to short the line from the text the input. Short file.txt. Unique is to remove the duplicate line from the input, and headtail is a display the first and the last few lines of the input. So these were the 50 basic Linux command which we have to learn. So if you have any problem, you can just comment your question in the comment box, and please subscribe and do subscribe my channel. And thank you. We'll meet in another video.